Good morning guys! Nandito na naman tayo sa garden and today we're going to harvest the onions kasi i-dry natin yung mga onions para sa ganoon pwede natin gamitin buong winter. So, samahan niyo ako sa pag-harvest guys. So, yan yung space na yan, yung space na yan, yung mga onion is nandyan siya. Kaso lang kasi, nag-dry na yung leaves niya. So, today, we're going to harvest them. Ito yung mga red onions ko. It's perfect for salads. At ito naman yung silver onions ko. Ang lalaki nila. guys, tapos na tayo sa pag-harvest ng onion. And this is what we get today. Yan. I get some yellow onions. And the silver onions here. Oh, sorry. I get the silver onions here and the red onions here. The red onions, I usually use them for salad, and so the silver onions. And the yellow onions, I'm going to save them for, this is what we use for cooking. So guys, yan na yung, those are the onions that we harvested in the garden. We hang them there to dry, and we can use them. You can use them sa winter. So that's all for today, guys, and thank you for watching, and see you sa susunod na video ko. Bye bye.